Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria, and today I am at the Hello Kitty Cafe in Irvine. I am so excited. I am here for afternoon tea and some cocktails later, and I can't believe I'm here. Literally, this is the equivalent of Disneyland for me. Hello Kitty Grand Cafe is like going to Disneyland. I remember when I was younger, Veronica and I used to run home from school to make sure we could catch the Hello Kitty Fairy Tale Theater and Sailor Moon, of course, and I feel like I'm like a little kid in a candy store. It just reminds me of how much fun and like love and youthfulness that Hello Kitty has and how important she has been in my life. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys everything. It looks beautiful and I'm going to taste some of it. So right now the first thing that they served was strawberries and cream. You can kind of see Hello Kitty there. It's so adorable. I got the peach lychee tea or lychee peach tea, so it's a black tea, and I'm really excited to have a taste of that and bring you along for a really cool day since the Hello Kitty Grand Cafe just opened, I think, last month, and not many people know about it. So I'm really excited and just gonna grub out a little bit. So currently midway through devouring high tea at the Hello Kitty Cafe, and I'm just so excited to be here because Hello Kitty has been with me since I was a little bean, a small little baby girl. And Veronica too. We were dressed in coordinating outfits with like Hello Kitty patterns on them. We both had these red little bomber jackets that held Hello Kitty and Mimi, her sister, on them. So growing up, Hello Kitty was always with us, and then obviously as we got older, we would have like little Hello Kitty stickers in our notebooks. And I still wear Hello Kitty pajamas to bed and Hello Kitty slippers, and my little pencils at school have Hello Kitty, and she's just so timeless. And it's so exciting to share a little restaurant cafe that is showcasing her in a new way and for everyone of all ages. So I'm so excited to be here, and really, truly, this makes me think of my sister, and I would like to definitely come back here with her. She is going to love it. And if you are in the Orange County area, definitely come to the Hello Kitty Grand Cafe if you can. They have a small, like, quick sort of Starbucks-like cafe, like takeout coffee and pastries. So it's really awesome, even for a quick stop. Right now, I have this chocolate cake. I ate the top, and I'm going to devour it. So just got done at the Hello Kitty Cafe for afternoon tea, but I have reservations for cocktail hour in the ballroom, so it's going to be a double feature at the Hello Kitty Cafe today. I'm very, very excited to see the adult bevies that they have that are Hello Kitty themed, of course, at Irvine Spectrum. It's really cute here, a little waterfall. Just finished riding also the wheel, the Ferris wheel. You can kind of see it in the background. Yeah, it's so cute. We'll probably get better footage of it when the sun is setting. It'll look like way prettier, it lights up. So right now, just browsing around, waiting until our reservation happens, which is in a couple of hours. The tea was delightful. The lychee peach tea tasted just like it sounds. The little croissant stuffed with smoked salmon and dill with cream cheese was to die for. It was divine. All the pastries were divine. Took a couple home to snack on later. And I think my favorite so far was the chocolate cake. It was really delicious. And the whole time I was there, all I could think about was my sister. It is definitely like a girl's day out or just a special treat yourself sort of place. They used to have the Hello Kitty food truck here, and it was like a pop-up shop, but they turned it into a permanent place, which is the Grand Cafe now. And I used to come here at finals or like on my birthday. The Hello Kitty Cafe was my favorite place to go. When I first moved out to California, I had heard about it through Snapchat stories, and I decided, okay, that's the one place I want to go for my birthday. And ever since then, I have made it my go-to destination. So I hope that you will make it your go-to destination because it's so much fun and it just takes you out of your head for a little while. It is so relaxing and a little piece of heaven for sure. Just divine. Loved it, loved it. Highly recommend. There is though a 90 minute period that you can be in the ballroom, and so they have it perfectly timed though. It doesn't feel like you're rushed and it's very leisurely, so it was awesome. And in SF, I was looking to thrift like a very specific pair of Levi's, and I just could not find them for the life of me, and I just found them in the Levi's store. But my student wallet is crying if I purchase them because I will be not in a good place, definitely not. But now that I know what they are, I'm definitely going to get them, probably ask for them for Christmas because I have like a whole look that I'm going for. I just recently got Logic Everybody fanny pack and I want to wear it, and I have a very specific outfit that kind of revolves around this pair of denim. So I need them. I have to have them, and I think I will get them and vlog them. Outfit, lookbook them very, very soon. Super pumped on it. Anyways, going to enjoy the rest of the afternoon until it's time to return to the Hello Kitty Cafe for cocktails, and I think going to finally ride the carousel. In SF, I wanted to ride it, but then I didn't end up riding it because it was cold and it was near the water, so now I'm going to ride the carousel.